I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the ferry schedule and buying your ticket. This saves waiting time and ensures a seat. Once done, pack for wind and rain because Maple Island is exposed. Bring a power bank and ID for boarding. Make sure you arrive 30 to 45 minutes early to load vehicles or catch the line. That avoids last-minute stress. While on the road, check traffic and parking options so you're ready to move straight to the boarding area. You'll follow the boarding flow and park or find seating. This matters because efficient loading shortens transit time. Once on board, secure loose gear and dress in layers since temperatures change. Also hydrate and note where you'll disembark so you don't miss your stop. Make sure to listen to safety briefings and follow crew directions because they know local currents and landing points. After docking, stay with the group or staff guidance to orient quickly to trails, docks, and key facilities. You finish by confirming return ferry times, locating shelter, and checking emergency contacts. This prevents surprises if weather shifts. If your return is delayed, call the ferry office to confirm the next sail and update anyone expecting you, because communication reduces stress and cost. Make sure to pack out all trash and secure belongings before boarding. That keeps the island pristine and speeds reboarding. If something goes wrong, stay calm, use a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.